Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by closing any apps that could lock the camera or audio. OBS, other call software, or virtual cameras often block Discord. Once done, update Discord and relaunch so fixes apply immediately. On Windows, run Discord as administrator to grant capture privileges. On Mac OS, open System Preferences and allow screen recording and microphone for Discord. These steps ensure Discord has the permissions and exclusive access it needs before you try to share, which prevents most immediate failures. Now pick the right source. Share the application window for games or the entire screen for multiple programs, because Discord captures differently depending on that choice. Make sure your audio source is correct and adjust voice activity or push to talk so your mic audio is routed. If you see blank captures, toggle hardware acceleration in user settings and try legacy screen share or use an alternative capture method. This often resolves GPU driver conflicts and fixes apps that refuse to appear in the share list. Finish by testing share privately to confirm the window and audio are visible. You can spot problems fast that way. If the screen remains black or audio is missing, restart your computer and update GPU drivers. Many capture issues are drive-related. As a final troubleshooting tip, uninstall and reinstall Discord and remove virtual cameras or audio devices that conflict. If the problem persists, temporarily disable overlays and GPU acceleration. That one change often restores reliable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.